Assalamualaikum. This video lecture is presented to you by FC School Sargoda. Today we will discuss about medicine. What is medicine? Medicine क्या है? Did you know about it? क्या आप इसके बारे में जानते हैं? Now discuss about it. Medicine. Medicine is the branch of health science that deals with the human health and treatment. A medicine is a drug used to diagnose, cure, treat, or prevent diseases. Advance in medicine helps doctors to cure many diseases and save lives. Medicine helps us to relieve pain. Medicine promote health and prevent us from diseases. Types of medicine. Medicines come in many forms. Types: liquid, tablet, capsule, drops, and injection. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe and also like the video.